Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Redmi A3. First of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that video will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings form. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you will find here always at the corner the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down almost to the end to the point system. It's on the second position if you count from below. So look for the point system. There should be a circle with an eye in it. Okay, now you will need the first point, languages. So now you will need again the first point, system languages. Okay, may you are having here a little list at your phone, and in case if your language is part of that list, like in my case Deutsch, so German, just go on your language, hold the language and swipe it to the top. Leave then your finger and go to the most right word here to change it. So that's taking a few seconds, and then the phone is in your language, so like Deutsch in my case, so German. Okay, let me change it back to English because I want to show you now what to do if your language is not part here of that list, and in English you can follow the video better. Okay, what to do if your language is not that part here of your list? Then here we need the plus symbol to add a language, and now I can choose from many languages. Let's keep going on maybe again here in English to follow the video better. And at the second step you always can choose a local dialect, like now the dialect maybe from Botswana, just an example. Greetings by the way. And then we're having here English with the dialect of Botswana now on our list. And as we have learned, you need to long press it and swipe it then to the first position. Leave your finger, go on the most right here to change it. And after a few seconds, we have now here English, and in our example with the dialect of Botswana. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.